Next, we've got Ryan Martis, the prodigal son returns from SSL Guru. He's the liaison manager now for SSL Guru. He handles the Asian and the Middle Eastern market. He's basically here to talk to you all and explain to you all how each one of you can actually become a SSL Guru. Without wasting any more time, I'm going to ask Ryan to please come join us.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How are you all doing? I can't hear you guys. Great, great, great. Hi, as Sahil just introduced me, my name is Ryan Martis. I'm the liaison manager for SSL Guru, obviously handling, as mentioned by Sahil, the Asian as well as the Middle Eastern markets. So what am I doing here in India? Well, I'm just going to go ahead and give you a small insight of what we do, of how you can actually become an SSL Guru too. So, as the title slide mentions, becoming an SSL Guru. So, before I actually talk about who SSL Guru is all about, I really just want to stress on a few aspects in terms of the online industry today. Now, I am necessarily an end user, and day in, day out, I really hear about a lot of security breaches, hacks. I even hear about situations in terms of popular websites being hacked. I'm talking about Facebook, Twitter, Evernote being hacked. I've also heard about US having a discussion about how China has been going ahead and hacking into the systems and how there has been a loss of dollars for them. Keep that in mind. We also have a situation wherein NSA now has gone ahead, or rather the NSA leaks show that they have been going ahead and invading privacy. So there's a huge pandemonium situation in your mind. I mean, I as an end user now, I'm thinking twice, should I actually go ahead and put my details online? Is that something where I want to be? But the fact of the matter is, I have to be there because my online life really now is defining my offline life. And that's where, like I mentioned, there's a need for me to feel secure when I'm actually going ahead and putting those details there. So in that sense, like I mentioned, when there's a need, you have to have a solution. And when there's a solution, like we businessmen say, we have to have an opportunity. So ladies and gentlemen, this is an opportunity for us. And let me just go ahead rather right now with who actually SSL Guru is all about. So we are a venture, basically an autonomous independent venture from Domani.pl, which is completely focused on the SSL market. So basically we understand the nuances, certain aspects about the SSL situation and the need, and based on that we try to provide the solution to. Domani.pl really has been in existence from 1997. So you can imagine when you have a company with that level of experience, with a venture like an SSL Guru, we really are going to be experienced with that too. So what makes SSL Guru so defined? Well, first and foremost, let's put it this way. When you actually have a company which is so focused on a niche market, you need to ensure that you yourself are accredited in the right way. So that's what we have done. We've gone ahead and accredited ourselves with the ISO accreditation for 9001 and 27001. This in effect ensures that whatever we actually do offers high quality of services, and at the same time, it gives you high security in terms of all the processed information that you have with us. So there's complete peace of mind when you're dealing with a company like us. So people ask me, I've never heard of SSL Guru, and that's fine, I can understand that. It's a new brand name, you need to understand what it is, especially in India I'm talking about. But in a global market, in a global sense, SSL Guru has already made a certain niche for itself, a certain step for itself. We are probably one of the leading transaction platforms for SSL certificates globally. Our mission is to really help consumers and companies in terms of all of their online security needs. So what I'm really trying to get at over here is that SSL Guru really doesn't focus on one particular sector. So I'm not going to say right now that, well, I have a client who's from a bank, but I also have a client from an e-commerce sector, so I'm just going to service this client. No, that's not going to happen with us. We're going to go ahead and give you a solution which actually takes care of both of them. And that's where one of the major advantages of being with us really lies. Like I mentioned, our products are made for every level of e-business. You could be a small-time vendor right now who's starting up an e-commerce website. Well, we have the solution for you. You could be an e-commerce venture which has been there in the system for the last 15 years and you're actually growing by the minute. Yes, we are there for you. That's what we are here for. We offer diverse options to cater to your online security needs. Now, when I mean by diverse options, I'm talking about in terms of the options in terms of security from the vendors, because I believe that is probably our biggest advantage. We also offer you highly functional tools that effectively help you manage your SSL certificate. So in a sense, you could be having a product, and that is all fine. You could be going ahead and giving that product to your client. But if at all you don't have a proper management system, what's the point of that product? And I'm an end user, and I need to know how to use it. It has to be UI friendly, and that's exactly what we are offering you. So SSL Guru, like I mentioned, we are working on a global scale. It's obviously not felt in India as yet, because obviously we're just venturing out right now. But on a global scale, we already have made our presence. SSL Guru has branches in Europe, America, and Asia. Now, we are actually a Polish company, so obviously our headquarters are based in Poland. But at the same time, we have our offices in the UK, we have our offices in America, and now we also have our offices in Hong Kong. But slowly but surely, knowing that India is at that curve where SSL security needs are going to be addressed, we are going to be here in a big way. So, in a sense of what kind of vendors do we offer? First of all, I've been in the Indian market, I've understood it to a certain extent. I do believe that we certainly have vendors who probably offer a lot of options. But more small-time resellers, small-time clients who are looking for a straightforward solution are not able to get that. Sometimes you have vendors who probably providers who probably have 2 or 3 vendors maximum. You could be having, let's say, a Rapid SSL, a GeoTrust, or a Komodo. But what about a client who could ask you for a Symantec? What do you do then? That's where I believe SSL Guru gives you the advantage, because we have relationships with over 6 vendors. Now, based on a client need, a client's requirement, you could go from the most inexpensive certificate to the most expensive, to the most detailed, and to the most powerful too. So it's up to you, the choice is yours. There's nothing which is holding you back in trying to give those options to your client. And when there are options, the customer is king, you get the credibility. Now, being in this business, like I mentioned, going back to where Domani.pl started, we started in 1997, so obviously being a top web services provider in Europe, we have developed very good relationships with all of these vendors. So what's the byproduct of actually having a good relationship? Very simple. When you actually have a good relationship, you tend to go ahead and then get competitive prices, because they want to go ahead. It's a mutual thing. And if at all we are going to get good prices, in effect, our resellers who are going to be below us, who are going to be looking up to us for any kind of assistance in terms of pricing as well as support, we are there. So that's, in a small brief, really, what exactly SSL Guru is all about. But now let me just give you an idea of what exactly our certificates are all about. Now, all of you guys who are there in the online business, I'm sure, all the respected resellers, clients, you have a basic idea of what exactly SSL certificate is. But for those who don't, I'm just going to give you a basic introduction. So SSL certificate really has got two types, or rather, it could be classified, has got two aspects associated to it. You have the validation, or the level of validation in this case, and the type of certificates that you would like. So what exactly are the levels of validation? Well, we have three. There's the domain validation, which is the DV as we mentioned, where you just go ahead and verify the domain details of the applying client. You have the organizational validation, which goes ahead and takes into account not only just the domain ownership, at the same time the organizational ownership. And the third, which is probably the most highest and the most well-recognized one, is the extended validation. But what if you don't want to go ahead and do all of that? You just probably have 50 to 60 websites which you want to secure. Well, I'm going to give you a multi-domain certificate too. To go ahead and extend that offering along with these type of certificates, I'm giving you an email SSL which ensures that all of your emails are secured through the certificate. As well as, I'm going to give you a site seal if required, which ensures that there's a graphical sign on your website to ensure that you have been verified by this third party, which is world-renowned. Now, the biggest aspect right now comes in terms of the security which these digital certificates offer. I was just talking to Arcadius the other day, the owner of SSL Guru and Domini.pl, and he got to talking to me about the encryption aspects. Now, the interesting part about the encryption aspect is we offer, most of our certificates really offer 2048-bit key. And now, from what I understand, the certification authorities have said that any certificate which is less than this particular encryption key generally is not valid or is not secure anymore. So that means most of the certificates have to now iterate to the next level to ensure that level of security. That means we are already accomplished on that certain aspect. And that's where our resellers can also start benefiting from. So what if sometimes you have an encryption key, and in an unusual case, it does get deciphered by certain hackers? And that happens. I'm not coming here and assuring you that it's a 100% security seal. No, not at all. That's not possible in today's world, but what if it does? Well, what happens then is the vendor has to take responsibility for that attack. What he then goes ahead and does is he gives you a complete compensation for the kind of losses that you probably have perceived in this kind of an attack. So that's an insurance thing over there. So in a sense, the only reason why this may have been there is because the vendors feel that it is completely difficult for you to go ahead and decipher that key. So in a sense for me, that's an insurance in itself, if I'm buying that certificate. So along with the certificates, we also offer you certain other aspects which could be involved not just with websites, but with applications. Now you could be a developer who's developing certain applications for the Windows environment. What we try to do is we give you a code signing certificate which ensures that your application is deemed secure when it is downloaded for the end user. So the end user doesn't have to really worry about a malicious script going through because he knows he's again downloading it from somebody who has got it authenticated. Now, I have given you a plethora of options from certificates to the kind of services, but at the same time, to go ahead and help you understand how you can actually implement those certificates in your environment, you need technical expertise. I mean, tell me one person who actually can go ahead and go through the entire knowledge base and say, listen, I can actually do that. Nobody can do that. You need step-by-step support. And that's where SSL Guru will try to go ahead and assist you all through the way. Because we believe when you're empowering the reseller or the end client to go ahead and get that implemented, that's where you get the confidence in doing it more and more. So I believe this is something which we also excel at. Specialized as well as more helpful techniques to go ahead and give you all that information. So this brings me to the most exciting part of really the presentation. I mean, I'm here for you guys to become an SSL guru. But what about the people who already have joined? First of all, SSL Guru has got an extensive collaboration of resellers worldwide. We go ahead and offer our services in a wide variety of languages. At the same time, we are operating with over 60 countries worldwide. So in a case like this, we have more than 60 to 70,000 resellers, direct as well as indirect clients. Now, in a case like this, what do they enjoy? Just to reiterate, a wide variety of SSL certificates which they can purchase from us, customized and unique solutions based on the need of a client. If he comes from a banking sector, he could have a separate implementation aspect associated to it. We will help you with that. If at all he's coming from an e-commerce sector, we will go ahead and give you those solutions which will ensure that. Easy and reliable access to money. Now, if you're a reseller, you've gone ahead and put in a certain amount with us, you don't have to be worried that you cannot go ahead and retrieve that money back at a later stage. That money is there for you. You can utilize it first to buy certificates. But of course, if that doesn't work, you can always go ahead and say, listen, I want my money back. And we're not going to say, no, that's not possible. That is your money, and that's going to happen with you. We're going to go ahead and give you all the ways in terms of the help that you require to sell that product in the market. Now, what I do believe is, especially being in this particular sector, the online sector, resellers require a lot of marketing collateral to probably go ahead and influence the client at the end level. Because when the client is not sure about what he wants, it becomes an added responsibility of the reseller, the provider, to ensure, to show the need in that situation that he's in. So that's the reason why we try to go ahead and give you a lot of collateral which will ensure that that influences the client in this sense. Of course, the last most important aspect is the technical support, which I believe is the defining factor once somebody has purchased a product from you. You need to have technical support which is 24/7 and which is accessed very easily via chat when you come on a website, call, or an email. And that's what we do. We go ahead and give you those options. So the last pointer really is, if these resellers are already enjoying those benefits, why are you waiting? We are here. You can simply go ahead and show your interest to us, and well, we'll go ahead and take it forward from there. So the most interesting aspect is everybody asks, how do I profit? It's a very simple thing, and I'm just going to go ahead and explain to you. Let me say I'm a small-time investor and I'm looking to go ahead and put a sum of around 6,500 rupees. Now, with 6,500 rupees, I can probably get around 15 Komodo certificates. That means my overall approximate ballpark figure is probably 430 rupees per certificate. But in the market rate, I can actually sell it for about 2,000 rupees. That effectively means my profitability increases by 1,500. And in effect, when I consider the 15 certificates, I'm getting 23,000. That, in effect, says it increases 3 times. Now, that is an opportunity, ladies and gentlemen, which you have to take. And keep in mind, I'm just talking about the profits right now. I'm not talking about the benefits, which obviously are in terms of the services that you get from us. So what are the 3 easy steps? Head to our website, choose your partner status, transfer the requisite funds to your account. As your volume grows, so will your status. So in other sense, the more amount that you add to your account and the more volumes of business that you do, you will go ahead and get better benefits in terms of pricing. And the most important aspect for the reseller over here, will SSL Guru ever show itself to your clients? No, we won't. We believe in complete anonymity. We believe in the aspect of you going ahead and representing SSL Guru, but without actually our name. So in a sense, to go ahead and heed that, we're going to go ahead and give you the API to ensure that you can integrate the services directly on your website and sell SSL certificates directly there. So, main motto really of our reseller program, for me at least, is to ensure that you have the most fast and the most effortless way to start your business and have the comfort and satisfaction of being with a global provider.